You're watching GT Sam. I'm Sam, and welcome to a detailing Thanksgiving special for my Cadillac CTS. Now, I know it's gonna be out after Thanksgiving, but for me, it's Thanksgiving. I got a long break. We are paint correcting this whole car tonight and adding a few nice touches for modifications to really set this car apart. I even made up a list, like every good mechanic should. Let me kind of show you what I got here. This is the list. So here we go. Much to do. So we gotta hurry up and get this started. Well, pretty much right about now. Well, as you can see right here, we have a plethora of things we gotta go through. Okay, now what's the paint look like on here? Okay, here's a little clip and a little photo of what it looks like in direct sunlight, and whew, it's bad.
Look at it! Look at it! Look at it!
Man, my Acura is older than this and nowhere near what it looks like on here, the swirls and the fine scratches. Now, the guy before me took care of the car, but I think he did it with car washes. And we all know that car washes with brushes and those spinners are no good. So I think that's what happened a lot to this. The paint's still good. I think it's a single stage kind of paint. I'm not sure what kind of type, but I think that's why it scratches and gets kind of messed up kind of easily. So we are gonna restore that and we're gonna make it beautiful again. We have the two items right here. We have the compound first, the ultimate. People rave about this stuff. So we're gonna go with that first and test spot to see how it does. And then we got the polish here. This polish should take care of everything with the scratches. But before even that, we gotta go ahead and do clay bar the whole thing. Well, I know what's happening. Let's go ahead and get it done. Garbage on the front here, and so I'm gonna take it off with some nicer methods first. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna switch this. Chemicals. Yeah, look at that. So I don't know what you can see in there, but you got this like this glue here. Yeah, I see it too. So I'm gonna scrape it off a little bit. Black paint pen. Hey, it's a long shot, but whatever. Ah yeah, much better. That should fit right in there pretty good too. Breaking apart too. What's fun is you see, whoa, man, these scratches, fine scratches, really break through with the lighting. So this is a lot, and that's what we're working on and correcting here. And this is all over the car. So obviously it's getting too late into the. I say late into the night, but it's only like 5. So now it's time to go ahead and clay bar this whole car. Go. Greetings. Here we are. It's getting to be almost 8 o'clock now. It's been about 2 hours. I'm still clay barring the car, and it's pretty dirty. Yeah, so that's that. Yeah, this side, the passenger side, is pretty bad. It's pretty crappy. You can really see all the soil and scratches here. So yeah, there you go. So we're gonna keep rolling here. I got my light at my stand. Got a process working down here. And obviously, I've changed outfits a little bit. Beanie. I got my winter coat on, and I got my winter fuzzy boots because my feet started to get cold. All right, well, keep rolling here before we finish this. So tomorrow we might just actually have to rewash it, and then we'll go ahead and do the compounding on everything here. Well, you know how it be. Keep rolling. All right, so it's a little cold out. Watch this. It's ice. It's ice now. It's all getting pretty icy. Oh, wow, my rag is like sticking. I just hear the ice forming. Okay, so we're done. Yeah, we're not going to be doing any more tonight. I'm out. I'm going to go make some pie now for Thanksgiving tomorrow. Hello. Oh, now it kind of looks like that because we need the paint's a little worn out. So we're going to go ahead and polish it, and I think it's going to look fantastic. She looks fantastic so far, but we're going to make it even better. So we're going to start right in here. All these scuffs, scratches, things like that. We got to go in and we got to remove it. So this is what we're going to do next, and do some testing right here to see how good it does with everything before we go into the whole car. So let's get going. Hood time. So here's what it looks like, and it's pretty gnarled up, as you can see from me in the reflection there. But so it kind of has that weird look to it, like the paint is really roughed up. Look at that. Oh, it's just like all kind of patchy blotchiness. So we just kind of keep going and show you before and after results. It's morning, it's next day. We're at DEF CON 5 people. We got 20 minutes until it starts raining, so I have the goods right here. We got this for the trunk, the bumper lip kind of part, and then we have new spoiler. We have the logo. All right, so we have lots to do. Throw some alcohol, kind of clean things up. Got some adhesive or enhancer, so that'd be good too. So over here, get this going. Okay, here it is. It's time. The logo must be placed. Okay. Subtle. Subtle. I'm hearing raindrops fall right now. And perfection. Yes. For sure, the rains did come, but we were able to complete everything just in time, like getting the rear window spoiler on, the front Cadillac logos, and completely detailing the whole car. Did you really think I was going to complete this all in one night? No way. I think it took over about a span of 3 days to finally complete, all by hand, but I think it was well worth it. Here, see for yourself. Right here we have on the hood, you can see the dulling of the paint and tons of scratches in there and just little microparticles all over the place. But when we head over to this photo now, much better around the right side there. All you see is a little bit of dust, but some nice deep dark blacks. But on the left there, you can kind of see the line of where it transitions over. The car looks so sharp, I decided to look sharp myself. So we did a photo shoot in the rain. Alright, enough about me and my cars. We have plenty of videos coming up to cover those too. So what do you guys think about this video? If you liked it, make sure you leave a thumbs up there, and make sure you leave a comment down below to ask about any questions you might have about this process, or if you have any other ideas to make this process even better, or other products you might use to actually make your car shine like crazy. But guys, also make sure you subscribe for more content coming up here soon, quite like this and other videos dealing with the Cadillac. I'm super excited for where this car build is going, and I hope you are too, and hope you'll stick around though. But for now, this is GT Sam, and I'll catch you next time.